cap welding is one of the most critical processes in filter cartridge manufacturing. This video demonstrates an infrared end cap welding machine designed to bond plastic end caps to pleated filter cartridges. The cartridge is first positioned accurately in the welding fixture. Infrared heaters evenly warm the plastic end cap surface without direct contact. Once the correct temperature is reached, pressure is applied to create a secure bond. The welded components cools rapidly, forming a strong structural connection. Infrared welding provides consistent heating, reduced energy consumption, and excellent sealing quality. This technology is widely used in the production of pleated, melt-blown, and capsule filter cartridges. Equipment from Indro demonstrates how advanced welding technology, OVE's filtration manufacturing efficiency. Contact with us for more filters making technology.